Final cleanup. Final cleanup. All done.
Hi everyone, this is second day after the big winter storm yesterday, and Ken just finished cleaning up. I was late. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. What a big difference from yesterday and today. Good afternoon everyone. And just finished clearing up again, cleaning. There you go. He just finished because I was late. And here are the snowbanks. Oh, you can see snowbanks now. And the road is nice and clean. Wow, what a big difference. And look how beautiful it is today. Wow. See, this is what you do when you clean it up. Clean up, clean up. And Ken did help again across the street. He cleaned their driveway too. So here we go. Look at the snowbanks. Not too much. Toronto has a lot, but us were okay. So let's go for a walk. It's a beautiful day, but it's still cold, freezing cold. You can even see the smoke coming out from my mouth. Wow, and look at the road, it's nice and clean, and the sidewalk, but I'm all dressed up warm. So, yeah, what a big difference from yesterday. And look at this beautiful tree with full of snow. Look at that. Day 2. Wow, after the winter storm. Nice. Look at that. And I'm going to attempt to go to that beautiful park to see how much snow they have. But you can see all the snowbanks. So I'm going to the park. It's crispy cold. The snow. A beautiful park here. I'm crossing the street. And they didn't clear it up, so you can't really go in. But you can. There's a footprints. This is the park. Look at all the snow. See, this is big difference from yesterday. Nobody walked here yesterday, I guess. Only this morning. And we can check it out. Check it out. Check it out. All the snow. So I'm in the park. It's Winter Wonderland here. So we are walking. It's hard to walk when there's a lot of snow. What is she doing? She's dragging. What's that? Look at this lady. I don't know what she's doing because that thing is water. Oh.
This is called a stormwater pond. It's man-made. Every community built recently has one. And the purpose of this pond is to control heavy water runoff when we have heavy rains in the summertime. So when it rains very heavy, the water will be directed into this pond so the streets don't flood.
And you can see Emily and Elizabeth on the insert pictures, that was summertime, so it's all water.
So this is why they're clearing the snow from the ice, because the young boys will come and play ice hockey, as you can see here.
Oh wow, so deep here. But it's beautiful. This is the park. In the summertime, it's nice here. Nice to go for a nice walk. Even now, even it's winter time. I'm gonna show you guys all the ducks. They're not cold. I don't know. Maybe they are. Look at them. The ducks. Look at the ducks. And this couple are trying to clear the snow. Unbelievable. She called her husband to help her clear up the snow so she can skate. Oh boy. And here are the ducklings. Here, they're enjoying it. And more ducks over there. So anyway, what a beautiful day, what a beautiful sunny day, but it's so cold. The roofs. It's hard to walk. See. Okay, bye park. Bye-bye park. This is the park on our community. Nice walking trail. And look at that lady. She is trying to clean the snow. Unbelievable. Look at her. Oh boy. Look at that. Okay, I'm going home now. It's so cold and more people blowing the snow again after yesterday's big storm. Wow. But today is such a beautiful day. Such a beautiful day. Crispy cold. Crispy cold. And look at this, hardly any snow on the tree. Depends, I guess, with the wind, but some trees are full of snow. Let's go home. The sidewalk is nice and clean. I can walk. See, look at that, full of snow. Look at the snowbanks here. Ooh. Look at this snowbanks. And this beautiful tree. Guys, I did my walk. It's so cold. Half an hour outside. It's really cold. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time. Bye bye everyone. Have a blessed day and stay safe. Bye bye.